Hey, everyone! Have you ever dreamed of a car that's not just a vehicle, but a statement? A machine that blurs the lines between automotive engineering and fine art? Well, get ready, because today, we're going to dive into the future of performance. A future clad in Rosso Corsa and roaring with electrifying power. Get ready to meet the 2026 Ferrari SF90 Stradale. This isn't just a car, it's a revolution on wheels. Let's talk about the design first, because honestly, the SF90 Stradale is a masterpiece. Just look at those aggressive lines, those sculpted aerodynamics, how every curve seems to whisper speed. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about function. Every vent, every aerodynamic element, is meticulously designed to cut through air, generating incredible downforce and cooling for its phenomenal powertrain. From the iconic quad exhaust tips to the stunning circular taillights, the rear is as captivating as the front. It's instantly recognizable as a Ferrari, yet it pushes the boundaries of modern supercar design. This is a car that demands attention, whether parked or cruising along the highway. But the heart of the 2026 SF90 Stradale lies beneath its seductive skin. It's Ferrari's first plug-in hybrid supercar, a testament to their commitment to innovation without sacrificing performance. It combines a twin-turbo V8 engine with 3 electric motors, producing a prodigious combined output that propels the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an instant. Acceleration is brutal, thrilling, and unmatched. It's a symphony of internal combustion and electric power working in perfect harmony, offering incredible track performance and the ability to cruise silently through city streets on electric power alone. The handling, as expected of a Ferrari, is razor-sharp. Advanced suspension, precise weight distribution, and sophisticated electronic aids all combine to give you unrivaled control and confidence, whether you're cruising down a winding road or pushing the limits on a racetrack. The car truly connects with its driver, delivering feedback that makes you feel at one with the machine. The 2026 Ferrari SF90 Stradale isn't just a car you drive, it's a car you experience. This car is a statement of power, innovation, and timeless beauty. It's a glimpse into the future of supercars, and frankly, the future looks very bright. Now, let's step inside, because the SF90 Stradale's cockpit is where cutting-edge technology meets luxurious craftsmanship. As you settle into your comfortable seat, you'll be greeted by a driver-centric environment. The fully digital instrument panel provides all the essential information, and that multifunction steering wheel? Everything you need is at your fingertips, from driving modes to infotainment controls. Note the vibrant red accents and exquisite stitching, a true blend of racing standards and high-end comfort. This isn't just a driving experience, it's an immersive journey. Ferrari SF90 Stradale 2026. The future of supercars and the CAR of the future. What do you think about this CAR? Leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe and follow. And see you in the next video.